Well, I made some pancakes today. I'm gonna try to get into cooking more. I don't know if I'll be showing you guys how to cook or like what exactly, but I wasn't into cooking before because I had an issue with getting food, and I was pretty ill, and so I couldn't cook that well as much. So the minimum I would do is just like heat stuff up and put like quick stuff together. But today, I actually made pancakes, and this is pancakes with blueberry and strawberry, frozen blueberry and strawberry. I just heated it up in a pan and made syrup out of it, and just poured it all on top of this. This is all vegan. There's nothing milk, no real milk or eggs in this, and it's really good. I got the recipe off of a channel on YouTube called Shine with Plants, and she's also on Instagram, and I really love this recipe. As you can see, the pancake, hold on a sec, I don't know what just happened. As you can see, the pancake is pretty thick and it's really good. So today I'm also going to make a vegan cheese. I have been into veganism on and off for pretty much all of my life. Well, not all of my life, that's an actual lie, but I've been into veganism on and off since about 2009. Yeah, I've tried raw vegan, I've tried pretty much everything, and then I decided to be plant-based last year, and now I'm kind of like, I want to go back to veganism. I don't really want to do plant-based anymore unless I have to. But you know, being vegan is not written in stone right now. It's just that this is what I'm focusing on right now because I think it's the most healthiest thing for me. And so yeah, I'm gonna make some vegan cheese later, and I might show you guys that. So now that I feel a little bit better, because as you guys know, I suffer with chronic illness, and this is like a hobby channel for people who need ideas what they can do while they have chronic illness. I could talk more about cooking and why cooking is very important for people with chronic illness, but anyway, I'm all over the place with this. I just kind of want to eat, and because I'm like extremely hungry, but so I decided to put it on pause. That's what's left. I made 4 pancakes. If you want 8, then double the recipe. But this was really good. This was healthy, and yeah, this was all healthy. And you know, with people with chronic illness, they need healthy food, and they also need like things to do. Like cooking can be a hobby, and if you have enough energy, you can actually get into cooking, and you know, make your food enjoyable, and that also can like help you in a way with your chronic illness. So I've just made it a mission to just like really make food that's very pleasant to the taste to me. I'm gonna find as many recipes as I can and just experiment in my kitchen and like cook things that I like to eat, but like mega healthy. And that's where I'm at right now. So sorry that the hobbies videos are coming out pretty slow. I apologize for that, but stay tuned. Who knows, I may have something soon. So thanks for watching. I have not, oh yeah, by the way, I have not been very well lately. Over the past month, I've been pretty ill, so I'm trying to battle like some weird illness. I don't know what's going on with my body right now, but it's bad, and that's why I'm not around as much, because I don't feel good. I have a lot of pain, and I'm not as tired as I used to be, but I'm still a little tired, but I have a lot more pain now, and so yeah, so I'm just trying to hang in there the best way I know how. And this is the reason why I'm trying to get back to eating healthy again. And to reverse this, like, to reverse how my health is spiraled downward. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.